Good morning, ma'am.
I hope you are all ready with for dictation 5. We are after 2 minutes. Let us wait for few people. For few minutes, we will wait for people and then we shall start dictation. Till there, you be ready. See, not only today's date, but day also. Huh? Tuesday. Write down Tuesday also.
Ma'am, you have sent one message about
Ma'am,
index.
today is 21, na?
Ma'am, you have sent one message about index. So, ma'am, we have to write on first page.
10. Whose speaker is, whose mic is not off?
Ma'am, I am asking you.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, you have sent one index one message about
For every
Ma'am, what
index.
subject,
is
we
first
always
word?
make index, no, beta? For every subject, we
Ma'am,
always
I
make
don't
index.
understand. Ma'am,
Actually,
there
you
is
were
no
supposed to make
Read
index.
what is first word?
So, Vihan, those who have not done, will start from today. In the index page, write down today's date, day, dictation, and then we shall start.
Ma'am, but I don't have index on the first page.
The first page is already printed with index. It is already printed with index. Date, day, everything is printed, Vihan. Lamha, do you know what index is?
Yes, ma'am.
Vivan, Dhruv Patel, do you know what index is? Dhyan,
Ma'am, index is the place where we write all things which we have studied. Like
Yes, ma'am, I don't have index because I am writing in home notebook.
but then you are not supposed to do that. You will have to make English notebook. We are sending, yes, yes, correct. This is called index, correct. We are timely sending all question answers. So you will have to make better. English notebook is essential.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
like
when will
this.
dictation will start?
Ma'am, like this,
Lakshay,
not KBIS.
Lakshay, it is there index, and in grade 2, grade 3, we were all filling index very well.
Okay.
So you know how to fill
Thank you,
index.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So now shall we start with dictation words?
Yes, ma'am, please. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
this is
Okay.
index
For
page.
2 minutes now, only 20 seconds. And then we shall start dictation. Huh, beta?
Ma'am, I am showing you it is index page. Speak loudly, Hans.
Swati, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush. Why in grade 4 you have to show me index page? You are
Oh,
in
this
grade
is
4. You all know what is index, Ayash?
Ayush is Ayan.
Ma'am.
I am Ayush is Ayansh.
Swati, ma'am.
Yes, Ayash. Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, I was telling that I have just started from today, so I have to write in serial number 1 today's date and dictation only.
Yes, you can turn your pages. You can
Okay.
turn your pages, see on which date what is done, and by that, with the help of that, you can fill your index. Okay, those who have not done till.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I don't understand why Vivan is sending today's date. Yes, this is the pattern of writing date. Correct, Vivan? Yes, this is the pattern of writing date.
Ma'am, I have started in today, so in serial number 1 I will write dictation, or I have to write from the starting.
On a new page. Dictation on a new page. May I have Trisha Chandarana? Trisha, please switch on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trisha, I want to ask you, on which device do you work, beta? I want to see Trisha Chandarana.
Ma'am, sometimes in phone or sometimes in laptop.
Now, right now, which device you are using?
Just now I'm using phone.
Why your camera is not on?
Ma'am, it's on, but so much light is coming from back.
Trisha
Yes.
Chandarana, I'm not getting you.
Ma'am, your camera is on.
Ayush, you don't talk. Ma'am is talking to Trisha.
Deepika ma'am, Trisha Chandarana is asking on chat, what is the date today?
And Trisha Chandrana has switched on her microphone and her camera as well.
And actually, I cannot understand why you have to ask on the chat what is the date and day today. Are you not aware of it? So now here, we go for the dictation. Is everybody ready? Just show me your thumbs up. Have you revised the words? Arav Patel? Yes. Chalo. Our first word will be temperature. Our first word will be temperature. And now please no looking here and there. Start writing your words. No looking here and there. Temperature. Khevna Ankolia. Pay attention to your notebook only. Definitely. Second word, Lakshay, stop smiling, stop laughing and start writing. Definitely. The second word, definitely.
When your voice is not coming. Ma'am, what is the third word?
Swati ma'am,
Ma'am, what is the third word?
Vihan, I am asking. Wait, Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am can't hear you at all. Swati ma'am not audible. Swati ma'am can't listen you, can't hear you.
Wait, ma'am, there is a network issue.
Do not send me any messages after the checking.
Swati ma'am.
Now is it okay?
Yes, but I don't think they heard the third word because I could not hear the third word. You will have to confirm.
Okay, third one was could be heard by you. Third word.
No, I could not. I could not listen.
Ma'am, it was switch.
Okay. Okay, then first two words you check the spelling. Check your spelling. Each and every letter you check and do not send correct, right, all done. Please, please don't. So temperature and definitely. Is that clear? Yes. Now here I am sending third word. Sending means telling you the third word. Bottle. My next word is bottle.
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, the third one.
Ma'am, the fourth word is ma'am, fourth word and third.
Mr. Lakshay Thakral, open your ears and listen carefully. Third word could not be audible. So the third word switch is cancelled and instead of that, bottle word is there.
Ma'am, bottle.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written switch.
Fourth word, inquiry. Fourth word, inquiry. Deepika ma'am, both the
Yes,
words
ma'am.
could be heard? Yes. So our
Yes, yes.
third word is bottle. Those whoever have copied from the desk switch will cancel it off. It is bottle and the fourth one is inquiry. Okay. Now I'm sending it. Please check every letter properly. Please check every letter properly. I'm sending it. And Jahan Jariwala, you will not order me for the next word, please.
Ma'am, we have to take.
Our fifth word is account. Our fifth word is account.
Ma'am, what is fifth word?
Fifth word, fifth, F-I-F-T-H. After four, we get fifth word, account.
Account.
Our fifth word, account. Lakshay, done?
Ma'am, I was disconnected. So, what is the second word?
Our fifth word, account. Lakshay, done? Devyasha, I cannot see you. Yes. Devyasha, done? Fifth word, done, Devyasha? Okay. And our sixth word is brilliant. Our sixth word is brilliant. It is brilliant. Please check your words. Lakshay beta, pay attention to the spellings. Check every letter properly, Lakshay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Rudra wants
Swati,
to
ma'am.
say something. Yes, Rudra, say.
Ma'am, I got this. Listen, first, second, third, and fourth spellings. Ma'am, you can resend fifth and sixth spelling because of internet issue. For 1 second, it left, so I not got that.
Okay.
Deepika ma'am, are you getting?
Ma'am, were you able to listen to Rudra?
I could understand that his connectivity was not proper, so he couldn't attend the first 2 words.
No, last
Is
two.
it what he's
He only
saying?
wanted the spellings. I have given him. Devyosha has an issue, ma'am. Devyosha.
Yes, Devyosha?
Ma'am, can you please say first, second, third, and fourth spellings?
Devyosha, speak little louder, beta.
Ma'am, she is saying that she has joined maybe late or some internet, so she wants second, third, fourth, fifth, all the words.
That is okay. I will send everything. I will send all the words. Dear, once again, check your all the spellings. Once again, check your all the spellings.
Okay, ma'am.
Devyosha, you can copy the spellings afterwards, later. But first you start writing from word number 7. You can later copy the spellings. Start from word number 7. Now here we are with our word number 7, and that is generally. It is generally. Word number 7, Ayansh, generally.
Ma'am, it's generally or
Yes.
general?
It is generally, and I hope that you have learned the spellings from the given dictation words. It is generally. Our next word is tuition. Our next word is tuition.
Ma'am, tuition.
It's tuition. You should not say tuition. It is
Ma'am,
tuition.
I am saying tuition. It is tuition.
Vihan, it's tuition.
It is the first word, tuition. Shall I send you the spellings now? Yes, here you are. Check it properly, please. Every letter is important. It is TUI. It is not TUTION. It is TUITION, tuition. Please check properly each and every letter. And I hope everybody remembers no letter is capital.
Ma'am, in temperature, I have written this. I have scratched and write in small
If written
letter.
capital, darling, this is the 5th dictation. If written capital, then you will have to cut your half mark.
Yes, I have written one more
Okay.
time.
Good boy. Dheru, done, dear? Okay. Shall I shoot the 9th word now? Devyosha, am I properly audible? You can just show me thumbs up. Yes. Okay. So shall I shoot the 9th word? Is everybody ready? Yes. All my students are special for me. So my next word is special. Yep. And here is the last word. Here is today's last word, tradition. Here is our last word, tradition. Dheru bhai, start writing. Don't look here and there. Okay, Trisha. Shall I show you the words now? Done? Riva, Ridhan, Rudra, Nishu, Samu. Done? Shall I show you the word? Here your words are.
Ma'am, I have done. And I have also done.
asking me to leave? I want the explanation, Mr. Jahan Jariwala. At 9:25, you want to leave the class? On what basis?
Ma'am, can you spell? Ma'am, can you spell all the spellings? Because my network connection is gone, that's why. Ma'am, in grammar book we have to do. Ma'am, can you spell all the spelling of dictation? Because my connection is lost, that's why. Ma'am, in Hindi grammar or marigold? English grammar or marigold? Ma'am, can you spell all the spellings? Because my connection is lost.
Sit properly. Okay, so dear friends, I'm giving you exactly 4 minutes. Exactly 4 minutes to read page number 22, page number 23, and a pencil in your hand. Remember, when we are solving in the workbook, there must be a pencil. Yes, yes, yes. I can see, my friend. Okay, so are you reading the chat as well? Those who are asking me the questions? I have already informed you to open page number 22, write down date and day on page number 22 and 23. And read those. I'm giving you now 3 minutes.
Ma'am, in which
You have 3
book?
minutes in your hand.
Ma'am, in which book?
Wow. Read the chat, beta.
Ma'am,
Read
can
the
you
chat.
spell
Ma'am, you have not written in chat.
Ma'am, can you spell
I
the
have
spellings? My connection was lost.
Ayansh and Devyosha have send the spellings again.
And we have to do this 23 and 22 and 23 page number. Swati ma'am.
Swati ma'am, we can't hear you. Swati ma'am, you're not audible.
But I'm not speaking anything. That is because of that I'm not audible. I'm sending you the chat.
Ma'am, you have to write the answers of 22 and page number 22 and 23. Or just read it.
Ma'am is writing something in the chat box.
Okay.
Wait.
Just a minute. Some difficulty with my laptop and it says that failed to send you the chat. So I have already sent you twice, but it is failed. I want everyday grammar, page number 22, 23. Everyday grammar, page number 22, 23. Write down today's date and day. Everyday grammar.
We have to just
Lakshay, don't
read
yawn,
or
Lakshay.
write the answers also.
Yeah, if you are sure enough, you.
Ma'am, I have started writing answers.
Then we will skip the chapters 3 till 6.
Wait for a minute. Maybe ma'am is having some issues. She'll join back.
Am I audible?
Yes,
show
ma'am.
me.
Now, otherwise you were not visible also.
Yes, no, my connection was disconnected. It
Yes.
was disconnected. I rejoined.
Yes. Now you are audible and visible both.
Okay. So our first fill in the blanks is first
Ma'am,
fill
I
in the
have
blank. Khevna Ankulia, I want you to read first sentence.
Ma'am, I have
Your
done
voice is cutting.
both pages.
Fill in the blanks
Yes, fill in the
with the
blank.
correct word. Since Mr. Malhotra says by the side of the sea,
What
he
will be the
can
answer of spelling of first C?
SEA.
Side of the sea, SEA. He can see
He can see SEE it
S
all
double.
day.
Correct. Dhyan Dalal, second. And faster, huh, beta?
Shima,
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Shima became a dash and weak after her sickness.
What will be the answer, Dhyan? Which pale will come? Which pale will come?
PALE.
What do you mean by that pale?
That
Pale is weak, not strong. And PAIL, pale, is a bucket or something you fill water in it.
okay, ma'am.
Now, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. So the
Ma'am, in
first one is PALE, second is PAIL. Lamha, third. Dheru, fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
And Devya, Lamha, third. Dheru, fourth. Devyosha, fifth. So be ready with the answers fast.
Ma'am, done.
Start.
The thief opened the STEEL steel almirah to STEAL the jewelry.
Perfect. STEAL, first. Perfect. Dheru, start the next one faster.
If you don't apply the car BRAKE on time, the tail lights of the car ahead may break. BREAK.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Devyasha, start fast.
As it began to rain heavily, the ride held the
Rider.
rain lightly.
Spelling, Devyasha, first and second spelling.
Rain is first, REIN is second.
REIN is second. REIN is second.
Yes.
Vihan Patel. Vihan
Yes,
Patel.
Ma'am, which? Vihan Patel or Vihan?
Vihan, HAN. H.
Yes, ma'am.
Start sixth one. And Vivan, yours will be the next one. That is seventh.
Okay, ma'am.
The deer came all the way to the edge of the forest, looking for our dear friend the rabbit.
So the first one is Vihan. Spelling.
The first one is D-E-E-R, deer.
Yes, perfect. It is D-E-E-R and the next one is D-E-A-R. Yes, now it is Vivan Patel's turn. After that, Rudra Mangukia, 8th one, and Rudra Master, 9th one. Rudra Mangukia, 8th one, Rudra Master, 9th one. Yes, Vivan, start.
Our school will end in 1 hour. OUR will be first, HOUR will be second.
And since it is the first word of the first word of the sentence, don't forget to put to write first letter capital. OUR. So yes. I know all my good students must have already done it. Ridhan Goyal.
Ma'am, I have done both the pages.
Okay, beta. Yes, Ridhan, start the next one.
I will soon buy the latest book written by Ruskin Bond. First is B-U-Y and second is B-Y.
The 9th and 10th will be Rudra Mangukia and Rudra Master. 9th and 10th will be Rudra Mangukia, Rudra Master. So 8th will be I will soon dash the latest book. That is B-U-Y. The first one is B-U-Y.
Ma'am,
Yes?
now my turn. Can I read?
Rudra Mangukia.
Ma'am, no. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Chalo, start one. And the 10th one will be Rudra Master.
Write your name in the top right hand corner of the sheet, said the teacher. And first is W-R-I-T-E.
Yes. So the first blank consists the spelling. First blank spelling.
First blank spelling W-R-I-T-E.
Yes. W-R-I-T-E. And of course the next is R-I-G-H-T. Yes, Rudra Master, may I have you please? Rudra Master.
First time I said
The naughty boy blew the whistle and disturbed the gathering. The first word spelling will be B-L-E-W and second B-L-U-E.
Because B-L-E-W is past tense of blew. Past tense of to blow. It is past tense of to blow. So the first one will be B-L-E-W. And the next is color. So it is B-L-U-E. The next is color. So it is B-L-U-E. Here it is 9:40 children. Our time is up. I want you to finish this chapter on your own. I will be sending the answer sheet as well. Answer sheet as well. So only reading session students will stay behind. All others, please have a nice day. Bye.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rama?
Ma'am, I have completed.
I do not want the pictures of homophone.
Full chapter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, it's okay, Lama.
Whose reading class it is? Please send
Why I have to tell you when I'm sending you the list every time? Anyway, I will send the list again, but today my chat box is not working. I shall try.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आयांश का कोई मैसेज आया नहीं था कि उसका रीडिंग है कि नहीं आपका मेरे पास कुछ आया नहीं था मैम उसका है रीडिंग आज टुडे
Yes, Ayansh will read today.
ओके मैम लेकिन मैसेज क्यों नहीं आया मैम? मेल वगैरह कुछ नहीं आया? आपने कुछ सेंड नहीं किया 2 दिन से मेल मैम?
No, the reading list was sent on Friday. It was sent on
नहीं
Friday.
मेरे पास नहीं आई मैम,
Aisha,
मेरे पास नहीं आ रहा मैम आपका मेल। चलो बेटा तुम्हारा रीडिंग है, ये बुक ले लो।
Ma'am,
yes, dear.
I am there in today's reading.
I'm trying to send you the list. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.